Hello and welcome to the MEC 203 Final Project podcast for group number 71. So our design is called the SBX All-Terrain Unicycle, and it combines features of a mountain bike and beach bike into a single wheel capable of handling any terrain. The primary innovations of our design are an extra wide 4-inch tire and a shock damping system consisting of 2 springs hidden within the frame. In designing this product, we first came up with a few innovations of varying feasibility and decided to choose the most realistic design so that it could actually be brought into creation. The next step was to research existing designs for off-road unicycles and take the design a step further. We were influenced by a mountain bike design, and so we decided to implement a spring shock damping system. Originally, the idea was to design our unicycle with a spring located in the shaft directly beneath the seat. However, it was deemed necessary to include an adjustable seat height which would not be compatible with the proposed location for the spring. Instead, we decided that the frame should be split horizontally into 2 parts, allowing for a spring to rest inside each half of the lower frame. Using this design, the upper frame can slide into the lower frame and compress the spring, absorbing shock while still allowing for the adjustable seat height feature. To demonstrate the motion of our product, I'm going to turn it over to my partner.
Hello everyone. What we have here is the overall operating motion of the SBX All-Terrain Unicycle. As you can see, the wheel and pedals move together smoothly as they should. The pedals maintain their parallel position to the ground as directed. Notice the 4-inch wide tire that allows the unicycle to travel over softer surfaces. Next, we will look at the motion of the pedals. They can comfortably rotate upon their axis. They are also designed to have a strong grip, which is essential for comfortable pedaling by the unicyclist. Next, we will look at the motion of the upper frame, which is part of our shock damping system. This motion is a big part of what makes our product unique. This allows for a more comfortable ride in off-road conditions. The shock damping system allows the rider to maintain greater control when on rocky surfaces, reducing the chance of injury. The system of springs is entirely interchangeable and can be adjusted to the rider's weight by simply disassembling the upper and lower portions of the frame. Finally, for motion, we also allow for an adjustable seat height, which is crucial to any practical unicycle. This allows our product to be appealing to people of all shapes and sizes. Notice the quick-release seat clamp located at the interface of the upper frame in the seat shaft. For the final portion of the podcast, I will scroll through the 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional images of the parts involved in the unicycle while discussing tolerances and fits chosen for the connecting parts. For the tolerance and fit of the regions of frame which slide into each other, it was decided to use a sliding clearance fit of tolerance category RC9. These fits were chosen so that the upper frame may slide into the lower frame without obstruction when compressing the spring, and so that the seat may be adjusted with ease. For the tolerance and fit of all bolts and their corresponding nuts and fitted internal threads, it was decided to use a clearance fit of categories 2A and 2B respectively. These tolerance categories were decided because 2A and 2B is the tolerance used for almost 90% of commercially manufactured fasteners. For the hex fits used to hold the crankshafts, it was decided to use a sliding clearance fit of tolerance category RC9. This fit was chosen so that the crankshafts can be easily assembled and disassembled. For the pedal axle and pedal hole, it was decided to use a sliding clearance fit of category RC9. This fit allows the pedals to rotate about their axis with ease. In total, the SBX All-Terrain Unicycle provides unparalleled performance over the most challenging surfaces, allowing the experienced rider access to terrain that would have otherwise proved impassable. Thank you for watching.